Hi there, beautiful day here today. Got a little bit of a surprise. A few days ago I was on Facebook Marketplace and I found a little surprise for Alice. It's been about a week now since I took the wheels off. Took my way to one of my students to get the tyres changed over. So she still stood on her stilts waiting for new wheels. But we're going to go for a little drive today. Down south, about an hour and a half drive away from where we live. It is an absolutely beautiful day today. So you're going to come with me and we'll see what happens today. Right, quick stop off to fill up some petrol and look at the temperature, plus 16. The snow is finally going and it's summer. Let's carry on with this journey. Right, well, we've done the deal. So we've got the parts in the car and we've stopped for a spot of lunch. So we've sat down here by the water and we've got some, stopped off for a burger. Bastard Burgers. Nice Texas hamburger there. Look at that. That's what we've got. Nice burger. Look at that. Perfect lunch in the beautiful sunshine. Here we are in sunny Skellefteå. It's about 150 kilometers away from where we live. We've bought the parts we needed. So now we just had a bit of lunch and we're sitting here in the sunshine. 25 degrees and it's beautiful, beautiful weather. Don't want to be here too long. Don't really like this place. It's the rival to the hockey team that I support. So we don't want to be here too long. We're just going to eat, perhaps a bit of an ice cream and then we're gone. No sooner as I said ice cream, and this turns up, an ice cream van on a bike. 16-year-old kid that started it, where you can eat the whole bowl, the spoon and everything. Brilliant idea. Right, on the way home we just stopped by to have a look at my son's car. Thought I'd film it for you. This is his car. He's drives around it now, 16 years old. This is his first car. These are very special cars that you can have in Sweden. Don't get them anywhere else. He's got some big fat wheels on it, look, some 18-inch deep dish proper stretch tyres on it. What's special with these cars is that they are limited. They are limited to 30 kilometers an hour, but it means that the kids can get out in the cars as they're younger. They're only allowed to use the 2 front seats, so obviously with him being 16 years old, the back of it's full of speakers. There we go, so we can't hear anything after a while. It's obviously got to be filled with Coca-Cola cans and air fresheners and shit, so yeah, this is his car. It's what he drives around in, 16 years old, in a big Volvo. There we go then. Like I said, these are electronically limited, so he's got a box there with a computer in it. It takes a pickup off of the front wheel, and it also is connected to the alternator there, so it limits the speed and it limits the revs, so they can't go any faster than 30. Obviously big fat fuse there for the speakers, some big fat cables. So that's what he's got, that's what he drives around in, my little son. Not bad for 16 years old, is it really? Right, I'm home again. So what's taken me all day? 300 kilometer round trip. About, I don't know, 5-6 hours or so. What have I got? What have I done? Let's have a look. There you go. Alloy wheels and tyres. Like I said, I was on Marketplace the other day, Facebook Marketplace, and these ones came up off of a Fiesta. I couldn't really turn them down at that price, and compared to the old ones that were sat there, these are absolutely brand new. You can still see the tread markings on them there, kind of. There, look. They're only just worn. It's only just worn down the 8mm there. So these tyres are pretty much brand new. I wasn't planning on this, but I couldn't pass it up for that price. The other wheels I've got, they'll go onto my other Fiesta, which I'll show you later as temporary wheels because they're going flat. But there you go. Alloy wheels and tyres. Not planned, but yeah, it looks quite nice. They'll definitely be alright for a while. Definitely be able to get it through the MOT. So that's that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the scenery. It's beautiful scenery up here in Sweden where we live. And if you like what you see, subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.